335D Muffler Delete today. It has an ATM exhaust on it right now with the mufflers. It's very quiet, especially when you're just driving through town or driving on the highway. It gives you that power that ATM delivers with the aftermarket exhaust, but it's just too quiet for me, so I'm heading to my buddy's shop and we are going to delete the mufflers and also put some larger tips on just to make it look better on the rear diffuser. So I'll do a little sound clip of the exhaust now at idle, kind of revving it up just so you get a feel for the sound, the pitch it makes with the mufflers. And then after we get the mufflers deleted, I'll do another clip driving and cold start type thing. So stay tuned. Go ahead. Okay, so the exhaust is done. We're on. We are at like 60 miles per hour. And here's underneath the hard acceleration. And then decel, normal driving. Zero drone. Way more aggressive tone. Sounds amazing outside the car. You'll get footage of that here added in. Should have done this sooner.